to Moortots Live Bonfire Special. We thought we'd wear our bonfire gear. Look, I've got my flash jumper on. Woo! And Rowan's got his firework top on. So, and of course, you know, a bit of a bright skirt. I'll probably go up in flames. But there we go. So we're all ready for our bonfire special. And we thought we'd do this because, you know what?
And I chose the craft.
You did. We got a great craft for you. We've got some fireworks. And also we thought we'd do this because we had our pumpkin party last week, and I know quite a few of you joined us for our pumpkin party, and that was really fun and really good. And we were talking about being lights in the darkness and how, you know, sometimes it's really tricky, especially at the moment when it seems quite dark, but actually the fireworks and the fires remind us that we can be like lights in the darkness.
I'm a firework.
That's right. And even if we're feeling a bit down, and dark and a bit on our own, we can join together in things like this. So it's lovely, lovely to have you. So shall we start with a song? Shall we start with This Little Light of Mine? Because we did that last week. So if you haven't done this before, you need to get your little light, get your little finger
this
like
is gonna
this.
be my light.
No, that's a drink. Okay, so we're gonna do our singing first, and then we're gonna go and do our craft. And for our craft, you're gonna need some crayons or pastels or black paper, and then we're gonna go outside. Okay, go on. Speak.
And I chose the craft with the pastels, and we're gonna draw some fireworks on the black paper.
We are. We're going to show you how to make it look really good. Okay, yeah, you did. Here we go. So this little light of mine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Hide it under a bush. Hide it under a bush. Oh no, I'm gonna let it shine. Whoops. Hide it under a bush. Oh no, I'm gonna let it shine. Hide it under a bush. Oh no, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
Woohoo!
Carry my little light round the world. I'm gonna let it shine. You can walk round at this point. Carry my little light round the world. I'm gonna let it shine. Go explore. Carry my little light round the world. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. We're just doing too much. Ready? Don't you? My little light out. I'm gonna let it shine. Don't you? My little light out. I'm gonna let it shine. Don't you? My little light out. I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Brilliant. Okay, we're gonna do another song now. Now this one is based on a Oasis and Moortots classic, bumping along on a big red tractor. But obviously we're not on a tractor.
We're fireworks.
So we're going to be fireworks today. We're going to be fireworks. So Rowan's going to try and show you, if he stops falling on the floor, about how you can be a firework. So I'd like you, if you can, to find some space. Find some space. And I would like you to see if you can be a firework. So here we go. Have a look. Oh, we can't see Rowan. There we go. There we go, Rowan. There you go. So if you can have a go at that, that would be amazing. So start really small. Start really small. Okay, really small. And fire. Brilliant. Okay, so we're going to sing about those fireworks now, and I'd like you to, if you can, be a firework today. So you could be one of those that goes
oh no, there's casting wheel
into the air, or you could do a casting wheel going round and round and round. Okay, there's all sorts of things you can do. Here we go. So we're gonna start with a rocket. So if you could be a rocket, that would be amazing. Are you ready to be a rocket? And we're going to go lighting up the sky.
I need to read it.
Lighting up the sky like a big red rocket. Okay, now, if you want to be a different colour, can you get an adult to message in your colour, and then we'll do your colour. So we're going to start with red first. Here we go. We'll do that in a moment. Here we go. Okay. Lighting up the sky like a big red rocket. Lighting up the sky like a big red rocket. Lighting up the sky like a big red rocket. Exploding in the air.
Ow, my feet hurt.
That's it, okay. Any other colours you'd like us to do? What did you say just
Diamond!
A diamond, okay. Lighting up the sky like a diamond rocket. Lighting up the sky like a diamond rocket. Lighting up the sky like a diamond rocket. Exploding in the air. Oh, we got some suggestions here. Rainbow and golden rockets. Thank you. Okay, here we go. So we'll do rainbow first, and then we do golden.
And then...
Lighting up the sky like a rainbow rocket. Lighting up the sky like a rainbow rocket. Lighting up the sky like a rainbow rocket. Exploding in the air.
And after
Then we do golden. Lighting up the sky like a golden rocket. Lighting up the sky like a golden rocket. Lighting up the sky like a golden rocket. Exploding in the air.
Oh, and then
we're going to do orange. Is that a suggestion? We've got orange. Sorry, our phone keeps jumping because our table keeps jumping because we're being so excited as rockets. Here we go with orange. Lighting up the sky like an orange rocket. Lighting up the sky like an orange rocket. Lighting up the sky like an orange rocket. Exploding in the air. Try not to do that because every time you do that, the phone goes. Okay, that's brilliant with those. Okay, now we're going to do a different song about some different kinds of fireworks. So you need, again, to be all different shapes. So we're going to go over here. We need a bit, there's a bit of space. We need a bit of space here. Oh, we've got black. Suggestion of black. Here we go. Ready, Rowan? Okay, here we go. Lighting up the sky like a big black rocket. Lighting up the sky like a big black rocket. Lighting up the sky like a big black rocket. Exploding in the air. Ow! Oh, we've got a Leeds rocket for everyone. So it's blue and yellow. Blue and yellow. Here we go. Lighting up the sky like a blue and yellow rocket. Lighting up the sky like a blue and yellow rocket. Lighting up the sky like a blue and yellow rocket. Exploding in the air. Well done. Okay, now we're going to do a song. Now, Rowan's going to show you the actions here. So the rocket's in the sky, goes swish, swish, pop. Now, you're really good at doing rockets, so you can be a rocket again. And then we've got the Catherine wheel, goes round and round. So you can do some round and round. Oh, hi.
Hi, Daisy.
Daddy, come to get a chair for Daddy.
You got a what?
Chair.
A chair.
I know. I come inside just to get a chair for Daddy.
Okay, that's great. That's great.
I've already got it in my pocket.
You've got it in your pocket already. That's great. Okay, that's a secret for later. Okay, that's brilliant. Okay, so we've got the Catherine wheel if you want to, but don't sing with food in your mouth. And then we've got the jumping jack goes up and down. And then we've got the sparkler on my hand goes crackle, crackle, pop. Don't eat like him. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to pop this here.
Crackle, crackle, fizz.
Well, crackle, crackle, fizz. Okay, just don't spray me with banana bread. It should be parking, actually. My mum, she used to make parking for us at Bonfire night. I'll always remember Mum's parking, and I meant to make some today. Do you know what? It didn't quite happen. But there we go. We've got 4 weeks to make parking, haven't we? We could be an expert parking maker because we've got some time. Okay, here we go. So the rockets in the sky. The rockets in the sky go swish, swish, pop. Swish, swish, pop. Swish, swish, pop. The rockets in the sky go swish, swish, pop all night long. Oh, now Rowan, it's because Rowan's jumping, so Rowan, don't jump again, okay? No, don't do that because it means no one can see the actions. Okay, here we go. So, the Catherine wheel goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The Catherine wheel goes round and round all night long. Then we've got the jumping jacks go up and down. Want to see you going up and down? Here we go. This is more like Joe Wicks. Here we go. The jumping jacks go up and down, up and down, up and down. The jumping jacks go up and down all night long. And then the sparkler in my hand goes crackle, crackle, fizz.
Okay, I'm going to do this.
Get your sparklers.
Okay, I'm getting
Is it great? The sparkler in my hand goes crackle, crackle, fizz. Crackle, crackle, fizz. Crackle, crackle, fizz. The sparkler in my hand goes crackle, crackle, fizz all night long. Brilliant. Well done, everyone. I hope you're joining in. Now, I'm going to take a slurp of tea. I don't know, you've got your hot chocolate ready. Don't know.
Can I have some of this?
You can have some banana bread. We're going to go to the craft table now, and we're going to do our little craft before we go outside for the display. Exciting. Okay, here we go. So, here we go. Let's pop this on here.
It's gonna be my piece.
Right.
This is my piece.
Are you going to come up here? Yeah, you can. Wait a minute. Rowan, I haven't shown you what to do. Yeah, you come up here. No, you don't.
I invented this.
No. Let me show everyone. Okay, here we go. There's some paper for you now. What we're going to do, now you might not have black paper. If you haven't, don't worry, that's fine. You can order it. You can do it with white paper, that's fine too. But we're just going to show you what it looks like black paper. And what you do, you grab some chalk like this, and I'm going to get the screen down here. Okay, here we go. Oops. Right, okay. And then what we do, see if I can do it at the same time.
I'll hold it.
Could you hold it just so that we can see? There we go. And then you put the chalk in the middle, press really hard, and then go out. Watch again. In the middle, out. In the middle, out. In the middle, out. In the middle, out. You keep doing this. In the middle, out, out, out. Now, when you've done that, you can get a different colour. And we do it again. Are we ready? In the middle, out. In the middle, out, 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 out. Just like this. Okay. Don't try and control it too much. Just press hard in the middle and then push. And then what you do, when you've got that, you follow the line of the chalk with your finger and go push.
Mommy, look. Mommy, I can do it. Mommy,
Are you going to have a go?
Out.
Okay. That's it. That's it. So start in the middle and out. Start in the middle and out.
Can I start?
Yeah, you can start because we're very excited.
Can you start with white?
That's it. And then,
But I'm going to start with
can you see
white.
how we're doing this? So with the smudging, you kind of get the colours, and you can put a few colours. Should we do some more colours, Daisy? Get some more colours.
No, Mummy, I'm baby Olivia.
Your baby,
Yeah.
baby Olivia. Okay, here we go. Right, so put in the middle and out. In the middle and out. Whoops! It's hard to do it and hold the
Mummy,
screen at the
I'm
same
doing
time.
it.
That's so good. That's so good. That's it. Well done. Just move your...
But you have to stay round.
There we go. So you start in the middle and out. If you do that, you can't go wrong. And then you put your finger on it and you follow
I
it
haven't
outwards.
finished with my normal colours.
Okay. Just going to do this here. Let's put that there a minute because we're all really busy. Put that there. Right, here we go. Can you see so far? So it's in the middle, out, in the middle, out, in the middle, out. Like that. And then you follow the line outwards. And you know how when you look at the sky and you see the fireworks and things and it looks like it's almost kind of dissolving into the air? That's kind of what it's going to be.
I need colours.
You think? These are looking really good, guys. Okay, we'll give it one more moment. One more moment. So in the middle, out. You can use any chalks for this. In the middle, out. In the middle, out. Or you could do quite a few of them. Okay, that's looking good. And it always looks good if you start in the middle, out. That's the key. Okay? And then you follow. You need to start with your finger in the middle, out too. That's the only way it works. Brilliant. So let's just show you what Rowan's up to. Okay. So start in the middle, out, not out, in. In the middle, out. That's it. Can you see how you follow that line out? Yeah. And so, and it kind of just imitates the sparkles on the firework. Whereas it explodes, you kind of get that, kind of copying that shape really easily. There we go.
I want to have another. Oh, I haven't done green.
Okay. Now I'm going to check on how things are going outside. It's a bit like the wind show. See where we get. Oh, we've got a fire going out there already. Look, you might be able to see something. Maybe not. Not yet. Okay, and we've got some fireworks. Are we nearly ready for the fireworks? Okay, brilliant. So, I'm going to let these carry on with their firework pictures. I'm going to get my coat on and hope that my skirt doesn't catch fire. Okay, you've got yours. Brilliant, okay. Right, let's just have a look at these firework pictures. Looking good. John, move your arm a second so we can see. That's looking good, isn't it? Brilliant.
Yours is the best.
Okay, well, it's because I practiced. But if you practiced, you'll be able to do it too. Okay, there we go.
Here's the next turning firework in your phone.
Right, here we go. And good, let's show our firework pictures. That's looking great. Put this there. Yep, so we're all going to go outside now. There's our firework pictures.
I haven't finished mine
That's
yet.
all right. Shall we come back to it, Daisy? Because we're going to go outside now to see what's going on outside. Okay, we're going to see if we can find a fire and some fireworks. Shall we go have a look? Okay, here we go. Oh, okay, through here, like this. Let's see how this works. Okay, trying to reconnect. There we go. Let's struggle. There we go. There's our bonfire. Hope you're feeling really toasty and warm. Hope you've got your hot chocolate and just enjoy that fire for a few moments. There you go. Feel that warmth. There we go. Feel that warmth. Okay, are we ready for our display? Okay, so everybody, let's get ready. So we're going to go back on the patio and we're going to do our fireworks. Okay, here we go. See if I can flip the screen. Whew, here we go. Right, you just see the fire in the background. Go, are we watching? Are we ready, everyone? Look at that. There we go, look. Yay! Looks like we've set you on fire.
Wow, Daddy, it looks like you're on fire.
It's looking good. Oh, is that what they call a traffic light? When I was little, we called it a traffic light, where you had like green and orange and white and all sorts of things. There we go. Oh, it's really good, guys, to have you all with us. Join with us on our fireworks. Here we go. I hope you're all toasty and... Oh, that was great.
Wow.
Is that finished? That's brilliant. Let me just flip round, flip round. Wow. Was that good, everybody? Was that amazing? Oh, we've rotated wrong. Let's go round here. Well, that was very exciting. I mean, it wasn't Roundy Park, but it was close. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to end with our song. This is the way we wave bye-bye on a Thursday evening. Sorry about the split in the video, but if you missed the first part where we did the activities, then the first video shows that, and then the second video, when we got it all back, shows the fireworks. There you go. So, it's great to have you guys all join us. It's really nice. Okay, here we go. Let's just...
Mummy?
Some problems with my phone, my equipment again.
How about we do, this is the way we wave bye-bye on a bonfire evening.
On a bonfire evening. Shall we do that then?
No,
What?
Iceland. No. This is he did like this. This is the way we wave bye-bye and a firework bonfire meeting.
Shall we do that? Okay, do you want to be in it as well? Rowan's head's taking a lot of space. Here we go. So thank you all of you. I can see you popping up now on the Facebook. It's so lovely to have you with us. You guys stay safe, look after yourself, keep focusing on the lights, the good things that there are around us. Keep that in your head, and if you're feeling dark and you're feeling down, reach out to somebody, send us a message. We're in this together, okay? Remember, we read that story months ago, Alone Together, and that's still true, that we're still together. Okay, brilliant. Here we go.
Daisy.
Ready? Get your hands ready, everybody. Ready? This is the way we wave bye-bye, wave bye-bye, wave bye-bye. This is the way we wave bye-bye on a bonfire night, Thursday.